In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit scanned PDF document in Sejda. Now, the first thing you have to do is you want to open up their website or of course their desktop app, up to you whichever one you want to use. And then from here, you want to go to All Tools, and to be able to actually edit a scanned PDF document, you first have to OCR it. Now, you want to go to Scans here and click on OCR. And what this will do here, when you have, for example, like a scanned document, you put it through this OCR function or feature over here, and this will make your text searchable and editable as well. You'll be able to select it, copy it, edit it, whatever, okay? So I'm going to click on Upload a PDF file here, and I'm going to look for Scanned because I do have a scan over here. Let me just find it quickly. There we go. I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Now this will open up. As you can see here, this is my scanned document. It's basically scanned like this, and you can go ahead and basically just select the language here, and then you want to select the output format. So English language for me is English, and then the output format is PDF. I'm going to click on recognize text on all pages over here, and there we go. My task is going to start processing, and then of course after a few seconds, usually this takes a few seconds up to a few minutes depending on how large and how many pages your PDF actually has, then you'll be able to basically open the document when you download it, and you'll be able to see that you can now finally edit the document. Okay, there we go. As you can see, in my case, this has been done, and I can already kind of hover over it, and I'll be able to edit that as well. So if I now download this, there we go. I've downloaded this scan over here. I'm actually going to go back in Sejda here to show you how this works. I'm going to go into Edit, and I'm going to actually put this in here. There we go. And I can now, if I go to text over here, as you can see, I'll be able to basically edit everything. Okay, so there we go. It's going to wait for a few seconds. Okay, I can go to whatever I want up here. I can hover over the text. Usually it's going to be like a bit, as you can see here, it's currently a bit skewed, so it's not perfect. That's because my scan was actually pretty bad. But of course, you can see, you pretty much get the point. Okay, if I go to text here, if I try to edit this, it's very possible. Okay, so it says it's not supported, so it's going to basically like replace some text. Now of course, the better your PDF scan actually is, the better your results are going to be. But that's basically how you can edit your scanned PDF document in Sejda. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.